Hello and welcome. Let's look at this Waec 2019 physics past question number 7. Which of the following waves is not mechanical? A. Waves in pipes. B. Water waves. C. Radio waves. D. Sound waves. So which of them is not mechanical? Now there are two broad categories of waves. We have what we call the mechanical waves. That are waves that need medium for them to be transmitted. Then we have what we call electromagnetic waves, waves that don't need any medium for them to be transmitted. So mechanical waves are those waves that require material medium for their propagation. So once they require material medium, once a wave requires material medium, so they do what? They require material medium for propagation. So in order for them to be transmitted, they need what we call material wave. They need what we call material medium. So very good examples of these mechanical waves are water wave. It needs water for transmission. We have the sound wave. They cannot travel in vacuum. Then we have what we call waves in pipes and strings. Waves in pipes, strings, rope. All of them, they need a medium. Without that medium, like water or the surface, they cannot transmit. So all these, they cannot travel through vacuum. Because of that, all of them are known as mechanical waves. Then now let's look at electromagnetic waves. Here they do not require any material medium for them to be transmitted. They don't need it. So in other words, they can travel through vacuum. So what are examples of these waves? We'll talk about things like light waves. We'll talk about waves like radio waves. We'll talk about waves like X-rays. So you can see these ones, they travel through vacuum. This one requires a medium to travel. So anyone that requires a medium to travel, it is known as mechanical. The ones that don't require, that can travel through vacuum, they are regarded as electromagnetic waves. So from this, you can simply see that the one that is not mechanical here, which is radio wave, is electromagnetic. So that makes option C the right answer. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and God bless you.